Right, we're back out, ready to send. First drop of the morning. It's pretty cold, but we've only got a very light breeze. We've decided to come back to one of our old haunts. Very little action anywhere else at the moment. Alright, we're sending bait number one. It's been pretty rough lately. We've been out heaps of times. Not much success, but hey, it's been a lot of fun, and that's what it's all about, right? Righto, we're on the track. This is a very, very early one. Sun's coming up. Looking great. Big morning ahead. Who knows what we'll get, but we'll certainly have fun doing it. Now what I can do, select the reef spot that I'm looking for. I want to go right there. Save drop point? Why certainly. There we go. Sweet. Saved. Oh, that nearly got caught. Alright, they're out there. They're staying out there nicely. Oh, I just got a little touch then. It's so good. Oh yes, look at this. You. This is what a day out on the water is all about, mate. 100. That looks absolutely sensational. Imagine if we go to zing right now. Huh. Look how spectacular this is. Seriously. Absolutely amazing to just get out and about. I have days like that and you can't get to the big guys in time. It's just luck of the draw in this spot. Oh, go! Don't tighten. Oh no. Just let him go for, okay, give it a reel. Okay, yep. Woo!
Go.
Woohoo!
Oh, that's big, that went for big. I don't know where he is now, mate. You might, if you want to tighten it up a bit.
That's all right for now. Well done, mate. Thank you.
That's all right.
Woo!
No problem.
What a spot. That's the spot then.
Mate, that just took off like a freight.
Right, so I'm gonna have to try and get down to the water this time. Oh, I think that might be a ray. Yeah, it's a ray. Spewing. It's a ray. Big eagle ray. Certainly had the weight there because a huge amount of seaweed connected to him. So it was a struggle of a pull in. We got there. Oh, this is just looking so good. Can we get one more out each? That's the goal. Look at this. Ready? Is everyone ready? I probably need some olive oil on that as well, but BAM! Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Just the dinners, mate. Just the dinners alone is worth coming out for. Look at this. Steak deluxe, cheese. Fresh kale. Cranking over the fire. Still got to go out to some awesome spots and have an awesome time. Looking forward to the end of winter and we can get cruising again. What was that? What was that? Is there something there? I'll check out a big one here. Just casting. Could be something decent. Might be some sharks or something, so give that a crack. There's plenty of seaweed out there, and now we've got a heavy snag, so the fun keeps happening. Alright, well, drop one was a bit tough because we only had a light sinker on. It kept pulling us into seaweed, so we're going with the heavier sinker. Let's hope that gets us up. Drop two. I think we've got a better chance this time. We might have something on here. Oh, I think we do. I think we've got something on here. Oh yeah. Let's go. You beauty. Woo. It's been a while. Getting good head shakes. Might be a small one. Shout out to all the crew out there. Been bumping into a few people that watch the channel, so thanks a lot for your support, guys. We're really hoping we can get this one in now. Not sure if he's still on. Might be. I think that sinker worked a lot better, so we'll stick with that. Oh, this is great to finally get a fish. We've been trying, mate. Oh, maybe a bit of an inshore reef there. Oh. This could be a shark. It's feeling sharky now. Oh yeah, we got him. That's a beautiful panny. $50, $51. You beauty. Now that's a good sinker. I'm happy with that. Swiped, drop one. Hook up, 51, 52 centimetre. On drop two. Now we're on drop three. Swell's definitely coming in more. I think we're holding ground nicely now. As good as we can be. Oh. Are we on? Oh, we got something on, I think. This might be a smaller one. Could be around the same size. If it is, we'll chuck him back because the limit's 2. And we'll look for a bigger one. Huh. Just a wrasse. A big ass wrasse. Alright, so drop one, snatched, bait gone. Drop two, heavier sinker. Keep a pan sized pinky. Drop three, wrasse. Not what we're after, but guess what? We're hitting drop 4. Let's go. I think the moment's passed. Sun might be too high. is about when we were going to anyway. Oh, dang. Wow.